Hello traders. Today's we're testing GMGS PRO V3 MT4 Advanced Forex Trading EA. Here I will showing the product's details. Set files, XAUUSD, GBPUSD plus EURUS, future sets. Platform, MetaTrader for MT4. Currency pairs, XAUUSD, EURUS, GBPUSD, USD August, USDCD. Time frames, M15, M30, H1 recommended. Minimum deposit, $50 C plus. Leverage, 1 to 100, 1 to 200, 1 to 500 recommended. Account type works with the CN standard, micro, and send accounts. Single account license for month $49. Single account license for year $227. Single account license for lifetime $347. USD demo account trial. Here you see the live account performance. %12.97% plus gain and growth. Drawdown is only 6%. Profit trade 73% win rate. Now see the trading history. Now let's see the MetaTrader for in action. Here see the inputs. Now start the backtesting without any error. Initial deposit is $1,000. Total net profit is GMGS PRO V3 only in 7 days profit $578. With the drawdown is to low 3%. Get the link in description. Don't miss this incredible offer. Now visit our website Grow More Grow Safe and grab IT now. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.